I thank God for my life today. My people, Buhari don't die. See life. See life. The Buhari criminal man that is sent DSS and military to come and kill me middle in the night in July 1st, 2021. He died today. See life. My people, we're supposed to learn about this. That criminal man, Buhari, Muhammadu Buhari, he don't die. See, I'm alive today. I thank God. God, thank you for my life today. Criminal Fulani man that is with some Yoruba, with some stupid Yoruba people that gang off and come to my house middle in the night. They try to take my life, but God said no. If God say yes, nobody can say no. God said no. See life. You don't die today. Thank God. God, I thank you.
The reason why they said Buhari is dead now is because the game they not want to play with Tinubu. They don't want Tinubu to bring the issue of Buhari again. Because it was the issue of Buhari that made it look like there is a debt they have on Tinubu, with Tinubu. The secret he kept with them, with Sibanjo. So now that is why they said now that Buhari is what? Is dead. So anything he has to say, let him say it now. Nobody cares anymore. That is to tell you that the North have already decided Tinubu is going. So Tinubu and his Yoruba gang, whatever you people want to do now, do. Borrow all the money in the world and build your Lagos, Calabar, Coastal Way, second seaport. Whatever you want to build, this is the time. Because the North have decided. And they are not going back. You see, a few days ago, Gabashe who come and talk about Buhari. Today, Buhari is they have said Buhari is dead. The North is tired. And the game is up. So use these 2 years, Yoruba and the Tinubu. Build your Lagos the way you want to build. Because you people think it's only you. The power is for you. After Obasanjo 8 years, Tinubu 4 years, you want to do another one. And you are talking about Southern presidency. If you want to talk about Yoruba presidency, you talk. Don't talk about South. Because if you care about South, you will not support Goodluck Jonathan removal. Very greedy people.
This is one of the most controversial deaths I have ever seen in my life. When I mean controversial death, Buhari's death is so controversial. A lot of talks here and there, mixed reactions, mixed feelings, people who are rejoicing and rejoicing, people who are leaking some things they call secret and leaking some secret. Now, I want to show you one shocking thing. Look at this on your screen. This is from Femi Fani Kayode. Look at what he wrote on 22nd of March 2020, just 4 years ago. 4 years ago. Listen to what he wrote. He said that Buhari is dead and Jubri is in the villa, or that the entity that claims to be our president is not a human being, but a shape-shifting reptilian and cold-blooded extraterrestrial from outer space. Okay? How else can you explain the fact that he has refused to address the Nigerian people on the COVID-19 pandemic? The truth is that those that love and support a lying president that values the life of cow more than the life of human beings deserve to be pitied. Now, he continues to say that the most repugnant creature on earth is the slavish and ignorant Buhardin. Even in the world of lepers and trolls, he is regarded as toxic and unclean. That was Femi Fani Kayode in 2022. And look at what he posted today again. He said, a great and proud son of Nigeria has passed on today. May the souls of Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR, rest in peace. So, it's no longer Jubril, or I don't understand. This death is controversial indeed, I swear. This is one of the most controversial deaths I have ever seen in my life.
To Nigeria media, like all these demonic channel they have, if they want to refer like things that have passed about that concern Buhari, you will only what you only them only see them use flash the past like old videos, the past video or past picture. You cannot see like I don't know the word I will use. You can't see like a like recent video of him or recent picture of him. I'm not saying this to conclude like he has been there since 2017, I mean. No, but I'm saying this for clarification's sake, for we to think as a human that have brain upset here with us, because even the day they launched book, the IBB launch book, nobody stopped Buhari there. And it was very biggest occasion. Like the opportunity, those who are looking to see Buhari 101, like live program like this, have been looking to see him. But Buhari was not even found then. So now, as it stands, I cannot tell you that Buhari was alive in 2017, as Nnamdi Kanu said, or that he has been dead, because for me personally, I don't have a proof to prove that he's gone. But for me to say to myself, to think, I will say to myself, I don't know that Buhari is alive because I'm not seeing him. Obasanjo, I'm seeing him. Babangida, I'm seeing him. Dajuma, I'm seeing him. I'm just mentioning old men, people that are even older than Buhari. We are seeing them. You understand? So for that point, we don't know now whether this is the backdoor discussion between federal government and Nnamdi Kanu, forcing them that he want to prove that what he said, because we didn't see that as a charge against him in the court. I believe that should be the number one. I mean, like, I think that should be number one charges against this man, Nnamdi Kanu. But they did not put it. Rather, they put that he called Nigeria a zoo. Is Nigeria a zoo? Bigger words or the word they have weight than a president is gone. So that is why people are not.
You are logical.
You understand? Because we need to release ourselves on this kind of thing that we see things. We don't have to say it the way it is. I have to say things the way I see things now. It is not a crime, because more we pretend to cover up, the more the innocence is being taken away every day. I'm not special than the people that these people that just take their life today. No, we are
all right,
human
my brother. We have a lot of people in the queue. Let me summarize everything you said for the purpose of people who are just joining us. So you are saying that you don't know whether Buhari is dead or alive. But the question you are asking is that even when IBB in Don's book, you have been seeing IBB, seeing Abdul Salami, seeing other, former head of state Gowon everywhere. But since Buhari left Aso, you have not seen him once. That is what you are saying. You are just asking questions based on your logic, and you don't know whether this or that. Thank you so much for that. All right, Sister Ijoma, before we go on to the next person.
Ezekwubundo, God bless you. I just want to appreciate that, our brother. Truth is bitter. You said the eyes that watches over everything. There's something you said, are you sure 17? When Kanu was saying some things, because I have been following this story since 2017, from when Kanu started shouting. And this is one of the reasons of why he was taken. He was kidnapped. And now, Kenya have come up. We are all on social media. We are listening. Things are out, and now investigation has to take place. Kanu lamented. Our brother lamented and said, let us see this. See, call a spade a spade. The problem we have in Nigeria is that our politicians are our problem. No, nothing else. Thirsty of power. Thirsty of power. They are ready to do anything. In fact, to turn their mother's face to animal, to turn it to anything to get what they want. Now, this young man has been, even there was an interview that was made to him, I think 2018, thereabout. He was saying, if they can bring him, even when he was in the custody, why didn't they take him there for him to prove himself? And this is one of the, and I look at all the counts that they laid down for him. This particular thing was not mentioned at all. And this is what we are interested in. This is where we want to know if he's saying the truth or not. This is what he said. Sometime in 2000, this is what happened. And I waited for Nigerian politicians if they were smart. If they were smart, they would have bring him out and then say, oh, look at what you are. If you accuse me of something, I have to prove it. If I'm accused of anything, if you accuse me, that you saw that my ear was leaking, I have to open my ear for you to check inside my ear if it's really leaking.
It's all right.
It was ignored. But let me just say, finally, I just want to drop this. Let them take us not for a fool. Now, previously, since he stepped down from office, he's no longer there in the office. Since his tenure finished, we have been expecting him, like my brother said, we have been expecting to see him in functions. There are cases of all this terrorism happening everywhere. Obasanjo, all of them are coming out, they are speaking, people are speaking. What happens that he cannot come out and address us once again as our ex-president?
All right. I want